Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create any trees in Blender 3.3. In just 1 minute, you can create any tree, and I'm going to call this tutorial as Fast Tree Tutorial. And you can look at my Blender 3.3. Now I already have about 3 trees here, and all of these 3 you can see it have 3D effect, and at the same time, actually it is just 2 planes like this, and you actually can create it as fast as possible. And start from now, I'm going to show you step by step, and also I'm going to demo how to set the opacity, the alpha for all of your fast tree. So I'm going to start a new file, a new project from Blender, and I don't save this. Once you already started your Blender, the first time you can just select 3 of this and just press delete button to delete it. And then next, you can just go to the Google. Right, now I'm going to go to Google Chrome. Here, let's say I search it here, tree PNG. Right, once I search it in that way, just click the images to enter the Google image. Next, just find a tree that you want as demo. I'm going to find a tree first. Right, let's say this one. First, you have to check this tree. Is that have any of the transparent background? You can just find it randomly. Let's say if I want to have this, it's okay. This one. Alright. And as demo, I'm going to use this. Just right click it, save the image as, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. No background tree. This is the PNG image with transparent background. Save it. And then it is already on my desktop here. Just have a look at this. So now in your Blender, just add a mesh plane like this. And then the first step, what you're going to do is just click on that, and then go to UV editing at here, drag it here to make sure you turn it on like this. Right. Next, you have to make sure you select all of the edges like this to make sure the whole plane already selected. Click here. To just add a new texture, just click add new. The base color, click here, choose an image texture, and as demo, I'm going to just click open and then select the no background tree on my desktop, and now have a look. It is just like that. Right, and the next, you still can see the opacity. So what you are going to do is just scroll down until you can see the alpha. The alpha here, click and scroll up to choose the image texture, open, and choose the same images just now. It is on my desktop. It is. Alright, once you change already, next you have to back to the layout. Just now you are in UV editing. Now back to the layout and turn here on. Then at the same time, you click here and scroll down. Scroll down until you can see the shadow mode. The blend mode, you change it to become the alpha clip. Done. Next, scroll up until you can see the specular 0.5. You just make it become 0 and press enter. And then, now it's your time to just rotate it. First, you choose here. And then, the rotation, just rotate it first in this way. You can see rotation over the X, you change it to become 90, enter. Now, at the same time, you move it up until it touches the ground. Now, it already become a tree like this. Next, what you're going to do is click and then you copy and paste the same plane, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now, you already have plane and plane 001. Just rotate it along the z-axis, change it to become 90, it's okay, press enter. Now you can see you already have a 3D tree like this. Of course, you still can just scale it, select both of it, click the first one, hold the shift and hold the control, choose the second one, and then you can scale it in this way to make sure it fits to the original shape like this. And now you can see you already have a tree. This is look like a 3D tree. And then check the specular. Always check the specular. The first plane, the specular is 0. Second plane, the specular is also 0. Right, now done. You already create a 3D tree, and actually you created from 2 planes together with another, what they call the PNG file. You can create any tree just as fast as possible. If you want to copy it, it is really simple. Just hold the shift to select all, then Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then you can duplicate more, and you can even make it smaller like this. You can press S to make it smaller. Then you have some big tree, you have some small tree. If you just want to put it on your background, it is just take it easy to make it have more trees like this on the background. Just put it as much as possible, copy and paste as more as possible. That is how easy you can create a tree in 1 minute. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and game developing. See you!